So this Thanksgiving break, we had the opportunity to go up to Utah to visit family. Most of the trip was based around spending quality time with our relatives, but of course we had to bring up the bikes, since Utah is such an amazing place to ride. So we headed up to the Draper Bike Park. Alright, so we're at Draper Bike Park.
Here we are, boys.
We're gonna do some jumps here. We made it all the way to Utah, and for our prize, we get a ride here for just a little bit. So it looks pretty sweet. They got a ton of jumps, and yeah, let's see what this is all about. Let's go through a couple runs. Let's go try this out. So we're gonna start out here with the intermediate / beginner jump line. The Draper Bike Park is a dirt jump park located in the foothills of, you guessed it, Draper, Utah. They have small, medium, large, and pro line jumps.
That's pretty cool.
I like the blue. Yeah, pretty big, pretty huge, pretty big jump. I'm just gonna walk around it and let's check it out. So you got a first mini step down right here. This is the XL line. And then you gotta step up. Gotta gap this. Come over. Alright. Then you got this big old step down. Coming in for the first booter. That's gonna be tricky. You have to really like pop that thing. So weird. Oh yeah. The pro line is kind of a high-speed, boot you in the air kind of jump line. There really isn't any braking and you have to go pretty fast. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the full pro line that day, but I did try to clear the second booter, and I basically did. The jumps were really rutted out and dry and looked like they hadn't been maintained in years, which made it a lot harder for me to clear the jumps on my hardtail. We'll get some sort of line, like transfer to the mediums from the pro line, drop in or something. So I decided to just have fun with the pro line and not worry about clearing the thing. Yeah, bud. Dude, we found a trail. Not exactly sure what to expect, but we're just gonna send it here. After the dirt jumps, we did find some cool trails at the northern side of the park, which kind of led you through a bunch of scrub oak.
you kind of got yourself lost in there. It was really fun and a great way to end the day.
Okay.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Okay, so this is called Noob Goes to the Skate Park.
Be careful. If you can't get out with the scooter, then I can pull it out. Careful though, son.
Did he get it?